Hey guys, it's Mike from Em and the Gang. I'm helping my wife out with a Canteen Cup challenge. This is my son Anderson's cup. I'm going to get it all set up here. I'm doing this over his fire in our backyard. It makes it quick and easy. There are some kids playing in the background, so if you hear some screaming and laughing carrying on, they're not laughing at me probably. I'm going to do sauteed onions and a steak in a canteen cup today. We're going to see how this goes. I've already sliced up my onions. I'm going to stick butter in and get it to start melting. I've already sliced my onions, which are Vidalias, and they're real thin. That way they'll cook faster in here. Hello, Emily.
Hey. I was just stopping by to just to remind you that this is part of a collaboration. And did you mention the collaborators? Okay. They're going to be listed in the description.
Which is above or below?
Below.
Down there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm pointing in the fire. I hope I don't burn myself.
They're not going to be in the fire, so.
No. By the way, that was about 1.5 tablespoons of butter.
Can't have too much butter.
That's literally what she said. All right, so thinly sliced Vidalias. I'm going to go and start sprinkling them in here. Break them up. This is going to be a stewed, sort of sauteed snack. But man, there's very little better than sauteed onions and steak. There's half. There's the other half. And yeah, I'm going to definitely need to add some more butter. Put that in here. There we go. And salt. Generous on the salt. Also generous on the pepper. And again, I'm going to stick in about another tablespoon of butter right now. It's hard to have too much butter. So over here I have a just a nice little ribeye that I got the other day, and it's been in this bag. I've already got black pepper, actual sea salt, and garlic salt on here. It's been soaking for a couple of days. Not really soaking, just kind of dry rubbed, sitting on there for a couple of days. That's what I'm doing there. All right. Oh no, I just sacrificed an onion to the fire. That's okay. All right, well while that's going, I'm going to stoke the fire a little bit, get it a little bit hotter. And okay, there we go. Onions are cooking nice. Again, I don't normally cook in a something this small, so it is taking a little while to get the onions good and cooked, but that's fine. Anyway, so I cook a lot. I'm trying to go lower carb right now. I've put on a little bit of weight, getting a little older, and the job I have right now, while challenging at times, is not a huge amount of activity every day. So, trying to cut down the carbs a little bit, and at that same time trying to eat more protein, which is frankly just delicious. So I've been eating a lot of steaks, a lot of chicken, a lot of pork chops, trying to keep some of the vegetables down a little bit, depending on which ones. I'm sure those of you that care may know, like corn, which is my favorite, has a lot of carbs. So trying to stay away from the corn a little bit. The onions here are probably pretty high. What are you gonna do? It's not worth eating if it's not good. So there we go. All right, let me see if I can grab the camera real quick and look at my onions. The butter is boiling. The onions are sauteing. I'm just gonna do a little flipping and just keeping the bottom from burning. There's an awful lot of butter in there. Oh, it's terrible. Oh my gosh, there's too much butter. Said nobody ever. All right. Oh yeah. They're starting to get that brownish, cooked caramelized color, which is what I am hoping for. Okay, while the onions are cooking here, I'm going to talk about the Canteen Cup Tuesday collaboration. And this week at least, it's Happy Trails Hiking, WoodPigeon Outdoors, and Journey Odie Bear, who are with Em and the gang, and we are all doing this week's Canteen Cup Tuesday challenge. I don't know if it's a challenge really. It's a collaboration. I would prefer to call it a challenge because it makes it a little more exciting. I don't know who would actually judge the winning, but I'm going to be eating this, so I think I'm going to win. Okay, again, while I'm here doing this is Em and the gang. I'm Mike from Em and the gang. I am Emily's husband. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And make sure you visit all of our socials and consider becoming a patron on Patreon. And I'm afraid I don't know how that works. I'm going to pretend that Emily's going to use this bit of footage, and she's going to put somewhere on here, I'm going to say right here, some sort of a graphic that says how to get to Patreon and become a patron. I will tell you that we have, and by we, I mean myself and my children, have talked about it, and we've come up with some sayings and comments and little things we would like to see on t-shirts and mugs and hats and magnets and keychains and that kind of stuff. We will be, oh, I can't tell if these are done. Oh my gosh, what will I ever do? I think I shall. Okay, you might be able to see on the picture here. I'll try and walk over that way. These Vidalia onions are now kind of translucent-y clear. I have no idea if that's focusing or not. Okay, anyway, they get kind of that translucent clear, and they're hot. They're burning my flesh. Oh, it burns. Oh, it burns. Oh, but they're so good. Okay, so I'll be ready, and I'm going to start the steak here in a minute. And again, the steak is just a thin ribeye that I've had in the fridge for actually a couple days. I tend to buy a pack of 3, 4, 5 steaks and season them all at once and eat them as I want to, and put the rest in the fridge in a Ziploc bag. This is the last one of this pack of 3 ribeyes I got. And again, if you hear screaming in the background, neighbor kids are out enjoying the weather. 67 degrees out right now, I think, at, I don't even know what time it is, 6:18 on March 19th. And it is 67 degrees here. The weather forecast for tomorrow night and Wednesday morning is looking at possible snow flurries. I'm going to call that done because it's been long enough and I'm starting to get hungry again. So I'm going to carefully get these onions, and I'm going to put them carefully on this plate. And honestly, I'm not too worried about it, but I'm going to try and get as much out as I can so I can make room for the steak. But a little extra onions with the steak is not going to be a bad thing. So, alright, sauteed onions done. Check. Back on the fire. If I can get this to go back in the right spot, which I probably will not be able to. Alright, so onions I'm going to set over here. I'm going to set this down here. I'm going to get some more butter. Butter makes it all better. I'm going to butter right in. Get that in there, cooking, boiling. Let that get a little melted. Oh yeah. Alright. Now, this will be the fun part. Taking the steak. Again, thin cut ribeye, bunch of seasoning on it. I'm going to get this in here and just kind of fold it in half. Drop it right in. I'm going to throw this bag away and come back, season that a little bit more, turn it, flip it. Rub it down. Oh no, I need a body bag. Alright, let's check on this quick. steak is in here, buttered up, cooked nicely, and smoked just in your eyes. Alright, so, again, medium-sized steak, little pot, a lot of flipping, a lot of turning. The point is to heat it and cook it. I don't really care too much how pretty it is as far as nice sear marks or anything. I want it to be cooked to a temperature that is proper so that I can eat it. Okay, so a little bit more wood on here and keep an eye on it. This steak, I just got this handle back attached to the canteen cup the proper way. I'm going to try and get in here and just move the steak out and splash myself. I'm trying to keep it from burning and trying to make sure a little bit of butter stays between the steak and the sides of the canteen cup and get it nice and hot and cooked. I will grab the camera and show you what I'm seeing down here. The steak is just got done cooking the steak, the onions. I was going to just get some nice images of it, but it's delicious, so I'm going to eat it fast. Everything is good. I want to thank the Canteen Cup Tuesday collaboration, which is Happy Trails Hiking, WoodPigeon Outdoors, and Journey Odie Bear, along with Em and the gang. I'm going to take a little onion and the steak. Oh, it's terrible. Again, if I were you, I would make this. Don't let anybody else taste it. They will want it and you won't be able to get it. Thanks for watching. How was that?
Thanks for watching our Canteen Cup Tuesday collaboration. I just want to make sure that you guys like, comment if you have a favorite thing that Mike talked about tonight, and don't forget to subscribe